Ready?
Sir, we're ready.
I thought you guys fell asleep on me. Come on. You at home, I'm with you. This is gonna be tough. But you know what? It's worth it. Get to work! 1, 2, up! 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze on top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Chest up. There you go. One more. Light weight. Drop it down. Come on. Medium weight.
What's next?
Are you good?
We're good.
All right, there's no rest. Progressive set. Dynamic set training. All right, here we go. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more, baby. Come on. Up. Last one. Up. Oh, yeah. Come on. John,
Sir.
I'm with you, buddy, all the way. Come on. Come on. Lift it. Let's go. 1, 2. Where's Nick?
Come on, Nick.
Let's wait for Nick.
Come on, Nick. Let's go.
No one left behind.
Come on.
Ready? Pump it up. 1, 2, up. Come on. Go. And up. Turn it up. Right there. Squeeze all the way. Let me see those upper pecs working. There you go. Keep going. We got 8. Last one, Nick. Finish strong. Drop the weight. That is bulk chest, baby. You want massive chest? That's what it's all about. We got a little bit of break. Write it down. Remember, we're starting with a heavy, going to medium, finish with light. But it's not light. It's
So,
hard.
if this is something that you think you
It's
can
supposed to
do,
be easy.
I want you in my group.
Get some water,
So
guys.
let's go.
Get some water.
Sir,
Woo.
you gotta ask me twice.
Look, you know what I got here? Cheers. Secret weapon.
Cheers.
Secret weapon right here. H2O. That was enough break for me.
Reverse, huh?
Reverse.
Going heavy first.
Heavy first, baby.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go. Come on. All the way. 8 reps.
Give me 8, Nick.
1. Get to position, guys. And 1, and 2, and 8. Nice. 7. Nice. 6. Nice. 5. Good. 4. Good. 3. Nice. 2. Bring it home. Up. Slow down. Drop the weight. Medium weight. All the way. Oh, yeah.
It's easy now.
12 reps.
12.
Let's go up. And 1, and 2, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. My God. 1 more. Up and down. Woo. Lightweight. Come on. 15. All the way. I'm with you all the way. I'm ready. You good?
Let's
Ready.
go.
You good?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Lightweight.
15 lightweight. 1, 2, press. Nice. Press. Nice. 3, 4. Nice. Press. I feel like John near me now. John, I'm with you, buddy. All the way.
With you.
Come on. Press. There you go. Don't stop. Give me all you got. Come on. There's no other way. All the way, baby. Come on. Press, John.
3 more.
Come on. 3 more. Squeeze on top. Upper chest. Right there. Come on. Press. Down. Nice. Drop it. Good job, guys. Good job. Set number 4. Combo set. Bring the bench.